Hi everyone, I'm Ritwik Math, and welcome to this tutorial on the basics of Langchain programming with practical examples using OpenAI and RAG. Today, we're exploring Langchain, a framework that simplifies building applications powered by large language models, LLMs. Originally an open-source project, Langchain has evolved into a company. It streamlines the development of generative AI applications by offering solutions like open-source components, building blocks, third-party integrations, and tools such as LangGraph and Langsmith. These create a robust ecosystem to help organizations develop ready-to-use LLM applications. In this video, we'll focus on how Langchain integrates with Python. I'm assuming you're already familiar with Python and virtual environments. Let's get started. Our first task is setting up a Langchain project with OpenAI. Create a project folder and a Python virtual environment. Copy the Python package names from the description into a requirements text file. To use the OpenAI API, create an API key. If you've reached the free limit, either make a new account or recharge your OpenAI account. Copy the API key and paste it in the .env file with the environment variable name OpenAI API key. Activate your virtual environment and install all the packages. Next, create a file named firstlesson.py and import the required packages. Use the load.env method to load the OpenAI API key into memory, which the OpenAI package needs to call the APIs. We'll create a model object for this. Then, let's design a prompt template for converting English to a user-chosen language. A prompt template is a framework with placeholders for dynamic content like input and language, which we'll later specify to create a prompt. A prompt directs the AI model to perform a task and get a response. Now, let's create an output parser to format the LLM output. Output parsers structure the LLM model's output. We'll use star output parser to convert the output to a string response, but other options include JSON output parsers, Pydantic parsers, and more. With all the objects ready, let's create a chain. A chain is a sequence of calls following a pattern. Langchain uses LCL, or Langchain Expression Language, for custom chains, built on Langchain's runnable protocol. Each runnable can be invoked, batched, streamed, transformed, and composed. We use the pipe operator to chain runnables together. Now the chain is ready, let's invoke it. Our prompt template includes input and language variables, so we need to provide their values in the invoke method to create a prompt. Since we chose a string output parser, we can print the response directly to the console. That was the basics of Langchain with OpenAI. Langchain abstracts LLM model operations, allowing you to easily use models like Gemini or Mistral. I hope you understand Langchain's concept, and I'll see you in the next video.